So here are some tips for effective informative speeches. So you want to stay informative and really avoid personal views for this speech because we're not being persuasive yet, right? We're just trying to describe, explain, show, demonstrate, share knowledge, increase awareness about a topic. We're not trying to get our audience to do anything yet, right? That's gonna come later. So a good informative speech does avoid personal views. That's different from, you should still share with us your experience, your credibility, your ethos, why you're a competent speaker on this particular topic, right? I mean, if you have been working on the strip for 12 years in the hotel industry at the MGM, you should probably share that with us because that's going to be good credibility if you're talking about the MGM, right? And so, but at the same time, you're not going to give your own perspective, which is different from your own experiences, right? So you're still going to have a good credibility statement, but you're not being persuasive in the sense of like, this is how I feel about something, right? You're going to describe, explain, show, again, try to raise knowledge about your topic rather than espousing some personal view. Make the speech come alive. Yes, definitely. So if you can get us to see it, quote unquote, what you're talking about, it really helps in terms of language with good description and use of language. Or if you wanted to, you could have a visual aid. A visual aid is not a requirement for the speech, but if you wanted to, you could. And really just staying positive and conveying energy that you're excited to talk about your topic goes a long way in the informative speech, right? Because nobody wants to hear a speech that you aren't even excited about, right? How would your audience be excited about it? So stay positive in terms of energy and stimulate our imagination. Yeah, definitely get us to see things or see possibilities, especially a good attention getter might pull us in, like getting us to imagine what it would look like when we have this state-of-the-art tunnel that's going to be built underneath the Las Vegas Strip, right? So you know, if somebody wants to research that and talk about that, right, and get us to kind of see what that would look like, that would be really cool. So stay positive, stimulate our imaginations. You also want to connect the topic to the audience. So get us to really see how your topic connects to us. I actually want to hear something called a reason to listen in your first speech. So give us a reason to care about your topic after your attention getter. And I want it to connect to real life. So it should connect to real life, right? So how can this, you know, really connect to me and impact, you know, and impact me or impact your audience, right? Audiences want to hear how this is going to affect them, right? Why is it valuable to know about Red Rock Canyon? Why is it valuable to know about homelessness in Las Vegas? Why is it important to know about the MGM Grand, right? So connect it to our lives and make us care about it, right? Connect it to us. Okay, this is key. You want to use informal language. So because you know so much about your topic, oftentimes we'll use sophisticated terms that only we know because we know so much about a topic. But you want to break those down and avoid those terms if you can, right? So if you study nursing or you know medicine, you're going to know terms that we don't know. So you want to avoid those terms, or at the very least define them clearly for your audience before you use them. Acronyms are big, kind of become jargon terms. So use informal language, clear, simple language that your audience can understand, connect it to real life, and you'll do a good job of connecting the topic to the audience. And then you want to inform to educate. What do you want us to know? Like to really clearly know, and show that it's relevant to us, right? That it matters, that your topic matters. And then yes, I want you to give us a reason to listen, specifically in your introduction, and I'll talk more about that. But why should we actually listen to you, right? And you can turn that around. You should listen to me because it's important to know how to do your own makeup, right? Or it's important to know about a place where you can go on a hot summer day just outside of Las Vegas called Mount Charleston, right? So why should we care about your topic? Really break that down for us.